Hey everybody, welcome back. Out here, gonna do some creek fishing today. Hopefully get into some smallmouth bass here. We've had really warm temperatures the last 2 days, up in the 70s. I haven't been able to fish. I was working on Friday. Yesterday, had some baseball and other stuff to do around the house, so didn't get out. But here it is, Sunday morning. We had a little storm come through last night and cooled things off a little bit. It's 48 degrees here so far this morning. It's supposed to get up into the low to mid 50s, so not too bad. Hopefully the weather's warmed up the water and we'll be able to get after some smallies. Now I'm going to start here at this spot. My buddy Eric, who you guys know, was here the other day. He didn't have to work. And on my airplane ride, he was sending me pictures of fish he was catching. So hopefully we can get into the same thing. Stick with us. All right, here we go. First cast. I'm going to start down here, work my way up, and then I might go downstream here. I've had a lot of luck downstream, but that's never been early in spring here. This section's usually really shallow, but I wanted to start here. Look at that beaver. Or a couple of, what are those? Beavers or otters? Can you see that, guys? Look at that out there. I see the fish. I think those are otters. One right here, a couple of them right here. Well, that was cool. Well guys, that was a first for me. I've never had otters mess up my fishing spot. I've had other fishermen, I've had geese, ducks, never otters. So I'm gonna head to a different spot because those otters were out here looking for the same thing I was. So all right guys, spot number 2. There's a fish. All right. A little smallie. All right. Hey, nice little guy. Skunk is off finally. This was the last stop, guys, to make that happen. This could be a good little stop here. There's another one. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, this is a good one, guys. This is a good fish. Oh, this is a tank. This makes the day worth it right here. Oh yeah, now that, ladies and gentlemen, is a Pennsylvania smallmouth. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, a couple of pictures, guys. Let's get a healthy release, and away it goes. Nice. That's 2 fish in 2 casts. There's one. Another decent fish. Away he goes. There's another one. Oh yeah, that's another nice one. There's one. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. That's it. Hope you enjoyed hopping around with me. Got to see some really cool stuff today. I'll be honest with you, I have never seen otters like that in the wild. I've seen it at the zoo. Who hasn't, right? But seeing it in the wild was pretty cool. Even though it messed up my fishing spot, it was pretty cool. Went down to the river, really nothing happening down there. And then finally this last spot, I almost packed it in. I almost didn't come here, but I'm so glad I did. Caught those 5 smallmouth, that one really quality smallmouth. So mission accomplished. I hope you liked following along with me today. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what else you'd like me to do. Spring is right around the corner. Stuff's starting to green up. It's warming up a little bit. I can't wait for what is in store. These smallies are gonna start hitting here soon, and man, hold on, it's gonna be fun. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. For those of you that have, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Hey, we'll catch you next time.